going to pay you £1,000 a week. All you need to do is ring me 5 times a day to thank me.
Give me £1,000.
I'm going to give you £1,000 a week.
Yes.
All you need to
I think you need to put if in there first. Otherwise, the brother's actually going to think, you promised me £1,000.
Yeah.
It's on camera.
Right. Okay, yeah. I'll give the caveat. In the event of, if I gave you the job, paying you £1,000 a week, and the only conditions of that job initially is just to say, look, you need to ring me 5 times a day and give me 5 minutes of your time, and just thank me. Do you think you'd miss a phone call?
Would I miss a phone call? Probably not.
I'd call him 10 times a day for £1,000.
Got any more? Right. So the point here is this.
Any more takers?
So this is I'm going to use the Shamsi example now. Yeah, if I give you like £2 million, and would you thank me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I said, but for that £2 million, you give me your eyes.
Yeah.
And the answer is no. And so these are things that you've been given for free that who do you offer thanks to?